I started video. Hello everyone. I'm Oveshwa. I'm going to talk with you our chapter number 1, okay, of exercise. But we already discussed of this chapter exercise. Still fifth question. So see, now we are question number 6. Is that we are clear? So see, the 4-point charge QA, QB, QC, QD is there are located at the corner of the square. So see here, what will be there here? QA, QB, QC, and QD. Is that clear in your mind? So see here, what will happen? There is a QA, QB is that QC. Q8 is equals to what? Q8 is equals to here 2 microcoulomb. Then after QB it is equals to 5 microcoulomb, and then after QC it is equals to 2 microcoulomb, and then QD it is equals to your minus 5 microcoulomb are located at the corner of the square. So ABCD of the sides 10 centimeter. So what is the force on charge of 1 microcoulomb placed at the center of square? So see, in this center, what will happen in this center? Here in this center, how much force over there? How much we are talking about that? How much? Uh, what we can say, how much force over there at this point. So we are discussing about that. So first of all, what will happen? We are applying that we are result and find out that the FOA distance. Okay, so FOA distance it is equals to here R. So here FOA it is equals to from O to A, then after O to B, A to B, then after O to B, C2O and O2D. Why this thing is that? Because of that, see what will happen, there is a resultant force. Okay, resultant force is that, so here a repulsive force is applied. What will happen? There is a repulsive force is applied. So what we are just considering as FOA it is equals to KQ0 QA upon R square. Okay, because of C here what will be there? Magnitude of the our Coulombian force acted on Q0 by QA is that. So here see at the point of A it is a charge, it is equals to here QA. Okay, our charge it is equals to what? Here it is my QA. So QA charge is that. So what we are talking about at our force FO it is equals to, we are written as FO it is equals to what we are written? FO it is equals to, we are written Q0 QA upon R square. Okay, FOA it is equals to what? KQ0 QA upon R square. So now from magnitude of the Coulombian force acted on Q0 by C it is what? Here again QC it is equals to QA. So see what will happen, there is a QC it is equals to QA. So see this one my charge is that. Okay, so this one is that. So here it is my QC and it is also same as per our QA. So what will happen, there is a equal and opposite charge are equal charges that. So magnitude of Coulombian force is that we can written as FK it is equals to Q0 QC upon R square. It is equals to what? See KQ0 QA upon R square. But here what will happen, here we have a value of QC it is equals to what? QC it is equals to QA. So we are written as our FOC it is equals to our FOA. But instead of from equation 1 and from equation 2, we can say it is the opposite forces. FOA it is equals to what? It is a minus FOC. So FOA it is equals to here minus FOC is that. So magnitude of the Coulombian force acted on Q0 by QB is that our. Now we are talking about our Coulombian force acted on Q0 by QB. So this one our Q0 is that. So Q0 on QB, how much force is that? So again we are talking about the FOB. So see here from here to here, from where? From here this point to this point, from O to B. So how much force will be there? We have to find out. So see FOB is equals to again KQ0 QB upon R square. Because our Q1 it is what? Our Q1 it is equals to our Q1 it is equals to our Q1 it is equals to our Q0 and QB it is equals to Q2 it is equals to our QB. So we can written as FOB it is equals to Q0 QB upon R square. But now again what we are discussing, the magnitude of Coulombian force acted on Q0 by QD. So see what will happen from here to here, from Q0 to from C this one to this one means Q0 to QD. Okay, Q0 to QD, how much force will be there? So again we are counting as that FOD it is equals to Q0 QD upon R square. But But here what will happen, qb it is equals to qd. Okay, qb it is equals to qd. So again what will be there, our FOD it is equals to what, FOD it is equals to k q0 qb upon r square. So again from equation 4 and 5 we can say this one, it is our FOB it is equals to minus FOB. Okay, FOB it is equals to what, minus FOB. So if we are adding this one, if we are adding this one, what will happen, it will be a minus 1 that, and if the resultant Coulombian force exert on q0 by remaining charge is F0 it is equals to F0A plus F0B plus F0C plus F0D. But F0A and F0B it is same, so here it is a cancel out to each other. F0B and F0D it is same, then it is a cancel out, because we are written as F0A it is equals to minus F0OC, and also here F0B it is equals to, we are written as minus F0OD. So both are same. See here it is a not B, here it is a D. Okay, so what will happen here, we are talking about it, so both are cancelled to each other, so we have resultant force F0 it is equals to what, 0. F0 it is equals to what, 0. Clear? So now this one it is our example number 6. Afterwards we are talking about it, our another example 1.7, it is a theoretical concept, so you have to solve it by yourself. Then after 1.8 it is also theoretical. 1.7b it is also theoretical concept, we already discussed, when never cross each other, our electric field lines never cross each other.